morning, English 11. Welcome to week 2 of online instruction. Sorry that this is still happening. Just wanted to touch base with you about what you're doing. So now we're working on our analysis paper that will be in our portfolio. I just attached the rubric and the prompts. So you're going to pick one and then go ahead and start doing that brainstorming for me for tomorrow. So once I look at it, then we can start drafting, because I want to make sure I give you plenty of time to do this and I want to get a move on it. So let me know what questions you have with that. Also, be mindful of due dates. I don't want you to get behind, and I feel like some of you are getting behind. So let me know how I can help you if you have questions on certain assignments or whatever. I want to make sure that you're doing okay and that I can help. So let me know with that. I'm getting ready to post another discussion forum. Again, just remember that you are you're doing your initial reply on Wednesday, and then you're picking 2 random other people's and then just replying in a paragraph. So you're responding to what they've written. So let me know if that gets confusing or anything. Your journals are due, but just be mindful of that. I'm getting ready to grade your Great Gatsby tests, so hopefully that went well. And then we'll do some grammar tomorrow as well. But then we're going to start the jungle next week, or maybe at the end of this week. So just excited for us to keep moving forward. I will do a video tomorrow of just more instruction on grammar. And I'm always looking for ideas that will help make my videos not boring and lame and just me talking. So feel free to share that. And also feel free to make videos and send them back to me. I really miss seeing you all and hearing from you and just interacting with you. So I'm not a fan of social distancing, as you can imagine. I mean, I'm doing it because I want this to be over, but I really hate social distancing. So anyway, you all are incredible. Thanks so much for doing this. If you have questions, let me know. But I will probably post things every day, so just keep making sure you're logging in every day and getting those emails and seeing what I'm posting. So you're killing it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.